Hello everyone, in this short video we would like to share something to help you make decision if you want to keep the factory HINO camera for the version 2019 up to the 23 model, or if you want to upgrade our new Full HD super wide angle anti-glare and super night vision camera into the truck, directly into the factory wiring at the back end of the truck without installing the whole new wiring along the truck. Okay, so here the new premium HEADUNIT system 9-inch that we are going to install into the truck soon, and we will show up the factory camera right now, and at the time we finish the new camera we'll show up and compare easier for you. So now have a look. That is the factory camera showing up right away. Okay, it is that one at the back end. So remember this, and we will compare this one directly to the new one that we have soon in the truck. Thank you. So here is the second step that we already fit the new camera in the place, and have a check here. The HINO already have the new camera very nicely installed, plug into the back end wiring, the factory wiring plug into the back end. Now have a look at this new camera, Full HD super wide angle anti-glare and super night vision. You can see how different it is. Okay, so thank you.